Looking for a quick and easy vegan snack that's also packed with protein? Try this protein-packed chickpea salad. Start by draining and rinsing 1 can of chickpeas. Place them in a mixing bowl. Chickpeas are not only high in protein, but also rich in fiber, making them a perfect base for your salad. Next, dice up some fresh vegetables. Bell peppers, cucumbers, and tomatoes work wonderfully, but feel free to use whatever you have on hand. Aim for a colorful mix to make your salad visually appealing and nutritious. Add about a cup of chopped veggies to the chickpeas for added crunch and flavor. For dressing, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. You can also add minced garlic or fresh herbs like parsley and cilantro for an extra punch of flavor. Pour the dressing over the chickpea and veggie mixture and toss everything together until well combined. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. This salad is versatile. Serve it on its own, in a wrap, or on a bed of greens. Not only is it quick to prepare, but it will also keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day, making it an ideal snack or light meal option.